Well, alright, so I've been getting a lot of requests to, and by a lot, I mean roughly zero, to do I'm sorry, I don't know, my lid was open there. I've been getting a lot of requests to do one of them POV vlogs, you know what I mean? So you're riding around. Now I see a lot of these guys, and they're trying to teach you this, and they're trying to teach you that, and we're just going to go on a little nice cruise. One of the things I see a lot is that a lot of guys like to gesticulate with their left hand when they're riding. I'm assuming they're doing this because they want to show their proficiency in riding, and I just wanted to let you know that that's something I can do as well. Occasionally, you'll see guys use two hands to gesticulate while they're riding on their hog or on their sports bike. We don't like to talk about them though, do we? And I just wanted to say I can be as casual as the next guy, and that a motorcycle, the physics of a motorcycle. I'm just going to listen to some music now. I hope you enjoyed the ride. Now, you'll hear a lot of guys talk about the twisties. Now, what are the twisties? Well, hold on a second, because my nav is talking to me. So the twisties are, they're licorice. It's like it's a delicious red licorice. And you might remember that from going to movies, when people went to movies. But now turn right. Okay, all right. I know this area like the back of my hand.
Well, we live in a trailer at the edge of town. You never see us, 'cause we don't come around.
All right, now we're going to discuss a little something called trail breaking. Now, this is a very controversial thing, is the word I was looking for, because for years you were learned, oh boy, you were learned to stop, to slow, turn, I don't know, but you weren't learned to brake on the turn basically. But now we do a little thing that we learned from the racers, where you can just take a look at my two fingers here. We're going to give it a little snap, just a little click right around the turn, just to kind of compress those front forks and give us some extra grip as we're coming around a turn. And then we'll just kind of lay off the front brakes. Now, this makes you look like a real pussy to the drivers behind you, but you have to get over the feeling of being a pussy, which I don't have, because I've always had a very small penis. And so I've had to learn to overcompensate by being not a pussy. Some have said my penis is so... I'm just going to listen to some music here.
We got 25 rifles.
Now, one of the things we don't often talk about when we're riding is what happens when you're wearing a full face helmet. Oh shit!
Just to keep the population down.
Population down. Okay, so we're coming to the end of our little ride today. Shoo-wee, we put on about, man, that must be something like 12 miles today. Hey, how you doing, Mama? Hold on, sorry there, just listening to my navigation. I'm actually almost home, but I don't really, I'm not so good with the directions. I think partly that's because after you've had a long ride, a long cruise on your bike, on your hog, you just kind of zone out. I don't know if you all ever read that book, Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. I haven't. Woo! It's boring. I couldn't even get through the book on type. But in it, he tells you, I don't know what he tells you.
And that's why I'm hanging around.
So I just wanted to say, hey, like and subscribe as always. Smash those buttons if you have to. Really helps out. I'm so sorry. Hold on one second here. She was just telling me my last bit of navigation. Yeah, it really helps out the channel. Oh, look at this guy. Real pretty like on his bike. Taking up the middle of the road. Just taking up the road. No, that's not the correct turn she's telling me to do there. I think we passed my house. So what we're going to do, this is actually very helpful. Whoo, he's pretty. Yeah, it's gonna. Let's work on some slow speed maneuver. So this is a U-turn going up a hill, and yeah, I almost just crashed the bike. All right. So oh, god damn my hips. Hope you enjoy. I'll just put some music on. Alright, so we're just about home now. I think I can turn off the nav if I knew how to. I gotta. Oh. Well, anyway, now's a good time to. Oh, God, just shut the fuck up. Is to go over a little something we like to call counter steering. Now, what is counter steering? Lots of controversy on the internet about it. See what I'm doing here? It's the same shit I've been doing since I was 19. But now they're calling it counter steering. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. One hell of a ride. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I didn't. Woo-wee. Now whose pretty little cafe bike is this? It's mine. Oh, and who are you? I'm you. Wait a minute. Shit's getting pretty real.